Hi everyone, it's Gina and I hope you are ready for today's strengthening exercise, strength for plank. So we're going to go through several different versions of plank, holds and movements to really ignite the whole body. And this is the money move. This is the move that's going to help make you strong. So in just a few minutes a day, you can get stronger in your body doing plank. Join me on the mat. Extend through one leg, pressing through the heel, and then the other leg. Zip those legs together for a straight arm plank and hold. 1, 2, 3. We're going to just lift those hips up off the mat and hold for 10, 9, 8, 7. You're going to lift up, give a little push up and hold for 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's start with a reverse table. Feet on the ground. Lift those hips, squeeze those knees for 10, 9, 8. Take it from that table. Extend those legs and lift. 10, 9, 8,